Okay, thank you. All right, I would like to try a couple of quick, fun questions now that we call myths or truths. So I'll just give you a statement. It might be a bit outlandish, but I want you to tell me if it's a myth or a truth and why. So, first one is that prioritizing quality always slows down production.
It's a true in the real life scenario, but the thought process is a myth because it's not about nothing wrong with the quality or quality systems or quality processes. It's about how well it is defined within the organizations. So if you have a if you have a well defined quality management system that integrates quality into every phases of the product, then it will not be any hindrances. Only it happens when you have the delivery. So they think that's one of the things which I wanted to discuss is quality is not a support process. Always think that so whenever we talk to the customers, they don't give there's no budget for quality from the customers, so they don't have any focus. So that's why it's becoming a support process. So but once we elevate from the support and make it as part of the product realization, that's where it gets the real importance, and it'll be a part of the project, not become a bottleneck.
Okay, I see. Okay, all right. Next one then. Investing in quality is too expensive for smaller manufacturers.
Again, it's a myth, because investing the cost of quality, first of all, you need to identify the scope. Even if it is a small manufacturing, I would not say it's their fault, but once you go out and that's where the things break up. So what we need to identify is, okay, what is my scope? And we have the ISO standards. Once you interpret what is my intended use or what is my purpose, and define the process only to meet that, and be free to remove all the non-value added just activities just to meet the standards, ISO standards. But you can tell the auditors saying that, hey, this is our product and these are the processes involved. We are ignoring those, and just document it, why we don't need it. That's how, that simple is what quality is. But when the small organizations try to, impose everything, that's where it breaks up. And that's one of the reason why I established innovative quality consultants to help the small industries, because to get trained on the quality procedures and ISO standards, it's tough and it's costly. And I always tell that Microsoft is not ISO certified, Apple is not ISO certified. What they do is they inbuilt the quality into the system, and that's how they build the trust. So they don't require oh, we are certified ISO or anything. So that's the attitude which a small industry should have, and they should be able to inbuild. And if for some reasons, if they want for any other regulatory requirements, then they should have a subset of process, not the entire process. And feel free to discuss with the auditors, and that we don't want these processes because it's not applicable. Provide a justification and close it.